Ano niyo, bubbly kayo sa bata, kasi super bubbly kayo secret na sumay lang niya kay Marag, kompleto niya mong day and everything. Oh. And then, ang di na ko maginsan kay, there was once, Marag times in our life, na down kay secret. And then, nakita niya sa dalat, tapos super dili make sure ay face. Manana ko na ka ng, what's wrong and everything. Manana ko na, no one understands. Kung no, Kre, I understand you more than you know. Tapos nakashare sa isa sa atin na, or nakaingon siya na kanang, no matter what happens daw, na siya at least special, natouch kayo ko because secret kay, to give her, it's like, kanang, di ka ka-imagine na, grabe kayo siya mo love sa imo. Such little effort ang work, ihatag sa iya kay work, kanang, basta super kayo siya mo love. She gives so much in return sa imo, ha. And, Freya, you're such a beautiful soul. As in, blessed kay ka, because, intelligent kay ka, oy, tapos maganda ka, super, and everything, right? His person is very generous, as in, super generous kay Heart Secret. And I really honor you, and I thank you for coming into my life, for